In the book Genesis chapter 1 and verse 1, it's written so. In the beginning, God created the heaven and the earth was without form and void, and darkness was upon the face of the deep. And the Spirit of God moved upon the face of the waters. And God said, "Let there be light," and there was light. My friend, pay attention to what I'm going to tell you now. And the verse 2 again, it's written so. And the earth was without form and void, and darkness was upon the face of the deep. My friend, pay attention, listen carefully. Please. All the people in the world who haven't yet been saved by the Lord Jesus, they are living like blind people in darkness. Like the earth before Spirit of God brings light upon it. Did you understand? But moving on, it's written so. And the Spirit of God moved upon the face of the waters. What does that mean? It means that even if the person is in darkness, the Spirit of God is beside the person to give him life. Did you understand? If that person decides to obey God. Therefore, no matter what you've done, God saves you right now if you believe in Him. Did you understand? Can you believe it? If you believe that, from now on, I determine a new life in you. Amen. May God bless you. Until next time.